What would you do if you get lost there? How will you survive? Yo, yo, what the hell? No, that is crazy.
Good morning from one of the craziest cities on the earth. Yes, I've got 24 hours in Dubai to pack in as much chaos, as much adventure, as much culture as I can. So there cannot be a better way to start a vlog. The start my morning time right now is nearly 6 o'clock, and there cannot be a better way to start a morning from going to the top of the tallest building in the world. That's right. There is Burj Khalifa right there. I'm gonna head out and I'm gonna show you what the view is like from the tallest building in the world, from the 124th floor. About 24 hours. So let's get this day started. Exactly.
Alright. Alright guys, so here it is, and this is what the views are like now from the 124th level. Check it out. On the top, everything just looks fake, looks like a model, not a real structures. Everything just looks so fake. But these are real buildings. Alright guys, so I was on the 124th level of the Burj Khalifa. Now I am going up the 125th level. And let's see what the views are like from 125th. Check it out. I am here, looks like by myself. There's no one here. Yo, this is so cool. This is 125th level of the tallest building in the world. Are you guys ready for the view? Check it out. Yo. When you're looking down from the 125th level of the tallest building in the world, man, you feel a bit, look. Check it out. Yo. The heart beats, man. The heart is beating fast. Yo, this is a nuts. Check out the sea and check out the Burj Al Arab right there. You've got the Dubai Marina, and then you've got the whole. I've just given you the 360 views of Dubai right here. Check it out. Alright guys, so that is it from the Burj Al Khalifa, the world's tallest building and a global icon here for you guys. And now I'm heading down from the 125th level of this building, and I must say one thing: humans can do anything, and humans can do great things. And looking around these great skyscrapers around Dubai, it's just crazy. The number of skyscrapers they're still building is just insane. Literally, it's like Dubai is just like unstoppable. They just want to have literally whole Dubai covered with just skyscrapers, and you only realize when you come to the top and then you see all these skyscrapers being built up, the ones already built. It's just crazy and an insane experience, especially seeing Dubai in the morning. It's just like a crazy experience. You can come down here during the sunset, it's your preference, but this is it from Burj Khalifa. Let's get the day started. Listen guys, sometimes you're in a luxurious, tallest building in the world, and then sometimes you're here in the middle of the desert on the sand, from sky to the sand. Yo, check it out guys. There we go. Come on, don't disappoint me. Nice and easy, stand up. Yo, the camel's not standing up, man. Okay. We made it. Oh, you okay? Oh, we made it. We're on the top now. Oh man. Alright, this is desert. Away from Dubai. Brother, make them run. Set them free, man.
Selfie with the camels?
Hold tight. Holding in one.
Go to the camel. No, camel.
We got it. Yo, why did you say this? Alright, I'm about to go down. This one, over the sandboard. Not like that. And just to let you know, the sand is hot.
Okay, keep going over there.
I think that's what's gonna happen to me as well. Much worse.
Next.
Oh, this one's a big boy.
Next.
Is it just?
Here? Yes. Got it. Video? Video? Ready? Yo! Okay.
What will you do if you get lost here? How will you survive? Huh? How will you survive? Anyways.
Here they have iron. The black, this is iron.
Hold tight. Yeah. Up. Hold it. Yeah.
C'est bon, il m'a tout vu.
I'm gonna play. That was a one hell of a ride. I was enjoying it, but my stomach, now I feel like throwing out pretty bad after that sandboard incident. From sky to sand. Now from sand to water. Dubai has to offer you everything. Alright, Dubai has got it all. So now let's see what Dubai has to offer on the water, right? Let's go and check it out. It is, man, hot and the sun is intense. But you know what? Let's check it out.
Ahead of us is one of the most photographed structures in the world. It stretches 100 meters out into the Gulf and adds to the already luxurious hotel.
And with that, we bought to have ended, what a crazy ride that was. And you know what, check out these exclusive yachts over here. And you know what, that was a crazy experience. On the views of Atlantis and Burj Al Arab and everything was just splendid, man, spectacular. And this is the whole Dubai Marina here for you, and check it out. Alright guys, so here I am right now at the Global Village here in Dubai. Yo, it is super busy here, man. Yo guys, check it out. Yeah, that is beautiful. Wow. Thank you. Yo, this is super busy here in Global Village. This is my first time here in Global Village in Dubai. Alright, let's find out what do we do here in Dubai. It's a Global Village. Wow. Wow, I can see more local life here. Check it out. So that is Turkey in front of me. So if you go inside here, you would probably find everything that's to do with Turkey culture, food and everything. Alright. Yo. Man, it is absolutely going down over here, man. Check it out. Wow. Oh my god, they've got fresh shoes over here, man. Yo. Alright, there you go guys, I have just visited Turkey and now let's see which country should I go to now. Oh, Yemen, Kuwait, Bahrain, Al Maghrib. Alright, look at this, man. I can definitely say this, I've got so many food stalls. Look at this. If you know this, you know this. Wow. Yo, this Global Village is crazy guys over here. Yo, this is Pakistan guys for you. Oh, look at this. I'm about to go into Pakistan now. Yo, check it out, man. Look at all this traditional clothing right here for you. Look at this. Yo, look at all the dry fruits. Alright, what do they have? They have chaat. Yo, it's been such a long time since I've had that. Not chaat. Man, yo, I missed that dish. Yo, someone's crying over there, man. Let me just go and check on him. Yeah, this is crazy. I've just walked into a live concert. Wow. This reminds me of Pakistan now. Yo guys, are you ready? Watch. Yo. What the hell? Yo. Yo, that is a nutcase over there, man. Trust me. Yo, check it out. They've got a Japan. Yeah, Japan was gonna be my next destination, but I guess I don't have to go there anymore because it's just there now. Alright guys, so I was about to leave, but then I realized there was one show that's about to happen within about a few minutes. So I was like, you know what, let's just stay here and show you the show here in the main stage of the Global Village. Check it out. You've got the seating area here and then you've got the main stage there. So let's see what the show is about. It says 11 and then the show timing is 11:20. The show name is 11. And this is the last show that they normally do of the evening. So let's just quickly check it out and then make our way and call it a night. Yo, what the hell? That just escalated very quickly. Yet. Oh, I think it's done.
السيدات والسادة دعونا نحيي داعا آخر من
Yeah,
إنتاج
that's it.
الفجر على
That's it.
الهند.
The last show is over.
كان هذا على
Everyone go home.
على خشبة مسرح الرئيسي لهذه.
Well guys, what a day it has been. Oh my god. From the sky to the sand and then to the water and then in the end to the crazy global village of Dubai. What a day it has been. I have enjoyed it so much and I covered whatever I could in a day in Dubai. So my time here is over and I must say now goodbye to Dubai. Goodbye to Dubai. Yes, what a day it has been. I really like Dubai and I must say that I will definitely come back again. I was only here for a few days and I tried to show what I did in one day, and I hope you guys have enjoyed it, liked it, and also if you're not subscribed, make sure you are subscribed because a lot of crazy videos are coming through on this channel. So I want you to be subscribed so you know what's up. Anyways, with that being said, I'm going to keep it short. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, you guys take care of yourselves and keep in your prayers. Until then, take care. Goodbye. Goodbye, Dubai.